So doing inspection of this. Yeah, this is the excavator, long arm excavator by Oman United. See, Oman United, long arm GCB excavator. So we'll have this equipment. I'm doing inspection of this equipment. GCB GS 305 LC, GS 305 LC by GCB. This is a long arm excavator. From here, traction, drive sprocket, so far it's okay. The roller, the chain, the cabin. Actually, it already works in our company before also. It's too hot here. It's too hot.